Hi guys! Learn how to make a cranberry sauce from scratch. This recipe only takes 10 minutes. It is best for roast turkey, Swedish meatballs, and you can top this to your favorite breakfast meal like pancakes, waffles, or French toast. It goes well with cheese and ham too. Join me as we unlock this recipe. These are the ingredients: 300 grams packed fresh cranberries, 200 grams white sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons orange zest, and 240 ml of water. Let's get started. First, wash the cranberries with running water. In a small saucepan over low heat, pour water and add sugar. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Add cranberries and cook until they burst. For best results, make this cranberry sauce a few days in advance to let the flavors blend. The sauce will keep in the fridge for up to 1 week and can be frozen. You can add some mixed spice or brandy for added flavor. Add orange zest, and season with salt. Stir until well combined. Remove the saucepan from heat and let it cool. Transfer the sauce to a bowl or resealable container. That is my homemade cranberry sauce. Serve and enjoy! If you liked the recipe, comment down below and be sure to subscribe on our YouTube channel, C6J Travels. Don't forget to hit the bell button to notify you on our future uploads. Follow our social media accounts at C6J Travels. Till our next recipe. Ta!